Welcome back to the Instables, everyone. So it looks like AMC has been picking up on volume throughout the day, but however, we need to break above a specific resistance that we did mention previously. And also, I'm going to show you guys exactly which alert I would be setting. So that way, if it does break above it, then we could have that confirmation on that squeeze play. And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over AMC with you guys here on the 4-hour chart. I want to show you guys something specific. We may have a possible breakout here. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen here. But again, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned RNXT halted at $7.76, jumping all the way up to $18 going 600 hours, up over 150% on that breakout. We mentioned SPRT last Thursday at $14.80, jumping all the way up to $60, leading into the next day, up over 400% on that breakout. And we also did mention BBIG on Friday in pre-market, jumping up over $10 going to pre-market today, up over 400% on that breakout as well. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So as you guys can see here on AMC, we do have this bull flag that we mentioned previously. We dropped below it, sure enough, continuing on down. Now we did have the 20-day moving average below the 50, and we did recently say that we did need to break above that $40 mark, and sure enough, we did break above it. We had that spike and that reaction to the upside because again, we did consolidate at this point, giving us that reaction to the upside up to $48, getting rejected. Now we are coming back down, and I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see what we're looking out for here. So you guys can see we're bouncing off the 20-day moving average. Again, the 20-day moving average finally crossing above the 50, giving us that possible continuation. Looking to hold over $40 going to today is what we mentioned yesterday in Sunday Night Countdown. We bounced off of $40. And again, we are consolidating around $43, $45, looking to see if we can continue. And as you guys can see, we have the 20-day moving average still above the 50, showing us that we very much so could continue. And going into tomorrow, we're going to be looking to see if we can get the 20-day moving average to continue on up and curl up like it has been. And I wanted to go back real quick so you guys can see how it broke out previously. This is exactly how it happened. We came down to the 20-day moving average, we curled up, we bounced off of it, and we had that major breakout. Same thing we are looking out for here. As you guys can see, we are looking to see if we can bounce off the 20-day moving average. As you guys can see, going 600 hours, we actually are consolidating just on the 20 moving average. So again, going to tomorrow, it would be extremely bullish in my opinion to break over that $48 mark that we got rejected at again last week. But however, if we can break over $48, then we will be looking to see if we can break over that major resistance here at $58. Again, $58 because we did consolidate previously at this point. Again, we had that continuation sell-off from that point as well. So again, breaking over $58 with the body of the candle. And again, with that confirmation here on the MACD, I'm going to go over the MACD with you guys here so you guys can see what we are looking out for. So as you guys can see here on the MACD, we did mention previously that the EMA lines were just crossing above the MACD, showing us that we did have some momentum coming in with AMC, and sure enough, we did get some momentum, and we are looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure going to this week. And as you guys can see, again, if we did set this alert previously above our previous buy pressure points before we had that major breakout here, when the EMA lines did cross above the MACD, then we did have that confirmation on that breakout. So again, same thing going on this side. We're going to be setting that alert right above this previous buy pressure point. You come over to the plus sign here on TradingView, you click add alert, and then you can put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, then we will have that confirmation on that momentum, in my opinion. And again, this is not financial advice, and that's exactly what we have been doing in the Insta. You guys set these buy pressure alerts, volume alerts, price action alerts, every one of these alerts, and watch the momentum, watch the setup for every one of these breakouts is exactly what we do every day. And as you guys can see, we are trying to break above this buy pressure point to get that confirmation here on that momentum. So in my opinion, AMC definitely on the watch for that momentum and continuing on up above that 20 moving average. And for this 20 moving average, again, the yellow line to stay above the 50 moving average here on this momentum, and again, breaking over $58 and holding above it with that confirmation. In my opinion, I would be setting my alert right above this major spike that we did have here on this buy pressure. Again, this buy pressure shows us that momentum that we're looking for. So again, that alert I would be setting for that confirmation on that squeeze, in my opinion, would be to break above our previous buy pressure point and our previous momentum that we had. And again, if we do break above our momentum that we saw previously on that major spike from $14.50, which we also did mention here on the YouTube channel, then we could have that major squeeze and major spike, in my opinion. And again, we will be watching this one to see if we can continue to bounce off the 20 moving average. And this is exactly how they start to break out. So again, definitely on the watch for that continuation. But again, AMC only on the watch for that confirmation. We're going to make sure we do hold over $40 going to tomorrow. Make sure we can break over 48, that previous rejection, and then break over 58 and hold above it with that momentum on the buy pressure to get that major breakout, in my opinion. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only how I like to justify every one of these breakouts. And again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting this channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate everyone. You guys, as always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.